us.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Alright, say what's good.
It's this nigga hair, so he's
Shane.
about to hold
Hey,
the
Charles, show me in case I die.
You know what I'm saying? My nigga Jordan.
In case I die.
He dies.
Alright, hey, Charles.
Y'all niggas know this is going on Facebook, right?
Alright.
You know. Nigga, stand up right here, bro.
Yeah, do it right here.
Hell no. Yeah, fuck that.
Do it right here and go into the open.
Nah, fuck that.
And go into the open.
Last time you ever seen some same thing?
Alright, bro. Hey, bro, you got a little smirk on your face. You might try to do some fluid shit.
Don't try and kill a nigga.
He's gonna drop it though. Just make sure you get the. No, drop it because big time. The takeoff is
Match the number one.
Say what is a start in my Arizona?
you better just drop it, yo.
Chill, son. Oh shit!
I can't drop it.
Yo, that shit crazy, son. Niggas 40, bro.